Welcome back to episode 6 of building our ultimate expedition vehicle. We are halfway to our deadline with only a month left before we plan to hit the road. Well, we're in the middle of the interior, but we are really sick of using this little rickety ladder to get in and out of the camper. And as we get more and more tired, I know one of us is gonna fall. So we are pivoting. We're working on something that Riley has been very excited about.
Front porch slide.
Front porch and stairs.
So we're working on our staircase entryway. So what we're doing here is we've got this box we've designed. This is a slide out porch that our torque lift staircase will mount under, hidden behind this door. This door can flip down to be a step to access the camper if you don't want to set up the whole staircase. So I'm using riv nuts to attach the drawer slides to this underbody box. So now we have nice threaded holes since we can't get to the back side of that to put a nut on it. 300-pound full extension drawer slides. We're going to build a small slide out porch in this space that comes out the side of the truck.
So this is the quick deploy occasional use step that we're making. We cut these holes with the plasma cutter, and then we're going to be using a dimple die to turn them into a grimple, which is a grippy dimple. Sun's going down. You've been up since 4:15.
I got up at 4:15 because I was excited about making the slide out porch and I couldn't sleep, so I just got up and started working on the design.
And we are almost ready to bolt it into the truck.
13 hours later.
First test fit of the box. We need shorter bolts right here because we cannot, it needs to move this way and these bolts are gonna hit. It's been quite tricky to get this all mounted with everything lined up. So Riley's underneath right now, like a monkey. Got a chair holding the slide up.
There we go.
This is Riley's first climb of his staircase.
First climb of the staircase.
One hour of welding later, and Riley has made us another beautiful box. This is the driver rear box. Now he's working on welding up the door. So Riley did an incredible job designing this step stair deck situation for us. It has multiple uses depending on the application. If we're at the grocery store and we just want to do a quick in and out, it's still a really big step to get up here. So all you have to do is fold this down, and this is your real quick get in step. Then if you're in camp and you want to get more set up, this is the deck and then the staircase. If you're enjoying our videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along as we build our ultimate expedition vehicle.